getting us loud in here.
PWL 10. Схватка.
And underway. Again, back to the classic style at 82 kilos. Crowd getting behind Kyrgyzstan here. As we're just over a minute into the bout. Again, the Greco clock counts up. The freestyle clock counts back. And passivity warning. And to parterre we go. Let's get no points here in PWL and our Greco position of after the passivity. Mахмудов trying to go straight lift. Hips under him. Walk to the edge. Big throw. And he's going to get two.
Кто поддерживает Акжола? А кто болеет за Айка?
A crowd interaction here. 45 to go in our first period. Akjol Mахмудов holding a 2-0 advantage. And one for the step out. Natsakanian cuts the lead in half. And we go to the break. 2-1 the lead for Mахмудов of Kyrgyzstan.
Тренировочный центр Федерации спортивной борьбы России и Лиги ПВЛ представляет вашему вниманию экипировку для профессиональных занятий вольной, греко-римской и женской борьбой. Но на ковре у нас разгораются страсти. Акжол Махмудов, Кыргызстан, и его визави Айк Жаны, Болгария.
35 gone by here in our second period as the two battle in the center. Passivity call offered. Confirmed. And we'll go parterre. Manatsakhanyan, an opportunity in the top position. Machmudov swimming forward. Manatsakhanyan tries to go to the right side. Nothing doing. We come back up to our feet. 54 gone by here in our second period. Creeping towards the 1 minute mark. Machmudov holding the 1 point advantage. Has the 2 point action. So Manatsakhanyan's going to need more than that. 1 point's not going to do it. Manatsakhanyan on top here with under a minute to go now. Nothing doing again in parterre. Back to our feet. Oh, beautiful duck under for two from Manatsakhanyan. That was slick. .30 to go. Machmudov now has to pressure for the first time since the first period. .5 to go. And the late 2 point takedown for Bulgaria's Ayk Manatsakhanyan.